Open your NVIDIA Control Panel, go to Manage 3D Settings, and try to change your preferred graphics processor. If you get an Access Denied error, proceed to the next step. Open File Explorer, and navigate to your Windows installation drive, which is usually C, unless you modified it. Then go to Program Data NVIDIA Corporation. Remember that you must enable View Hidden Files to view the Program Data folder. Inside this folder, locate the DRS folder and delete it. Keep in mind that this is the profile folder for NVIDIA, so this will reset your saved settings. After deleting it, recreate the DRS folder. If the folder wasn't there initially, simply create a new DRS folder. Open the NVIDIA Control Panel again. Try changing your preferred graphics processor to High-Performance NVIDIA Processor. You should now be able to make the change without any issues. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.